The additive inverse of 9 is the square root of 625 is if A equals 1, 2, 3, and the value of P in proportion 3, P, 1, 125. Akram bought a cycle for 2,800 rupees and sold it for 2,900 rupees. His profit percentage will be. Identify the geometric sequence. The equation x equals 2 represents A. If the base of a right-angled triangle is 5 centimeters and hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, then its altitude will be. The slope of the line 2x 2y equals 1 is. The square root of 9,801 is. The value of P in proportion 12, P, 3. Imran bought a car for 900,000 rupees and sold it for 990,000 rupees. The slope of the line 2x plus 2y equals 1 is. What is the square root of 103,000? Ahmad bought a house for 550,000 rupees and sold it for 700,000 rupees. What was his? Find the solution set of given equations by using method of elimination. 2x plus 4y equals 107x plus 8. Find the surface area of a sphere whose radius is 42 centimeters. If 58 by half a kilogram of rice is to be packed equally in 6, find square root of 3,969 by prime factorization. 71, 53. Find the surface area of a sphere whose radius is 32 centimeters. Find solution set of given equations by using method of elimination. 2x plus 4y equals. Intercept of the equation 2xy equals 1 will be. Abid bought a cycle for 15,000 rupees and sold it for 18,000 rupees. His profit percentage will be. If the base and perpendicular of a right-angled triangle are 12 centimeters and 16 centimeters respectively, then length of its hypotenuse. It has 2*1/4 light rs of milk.